Hey there, ABC Hosting family. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the best hosting tips and tricks. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic: how to stream movies on your server directly to your iPhone. Sounds interesting, right? Let's make your movie nights even better by turning your server into your personal streaming platform. So, stick around till the end. Alright, step 1 is setting up your server. You'll need a reliable server to host your movie files. If you already have one, great. If not, you can use a video streaming server like the ones provided by ABC Hosting. More on that later. Once your server is ready, upload your movie files. Make sure they're in formats like MP4 or MKV, which are compatible with most streaming apps. Next, you'll need media server software. Apps like Plex, MB or Jellyfin are fantastic options. These tools organize your movies and make them streamable to your iPhone. Simply install the software on your server, configure your library, and ensure it's accessible via your local network or the internet. Now, let's configure your streaming access. Open the Media Server app on your iPhone and connect it to your server. Most apps will guide you step by step to link your iPhone to your server using a unique code or URL. And boom, your movie library is now in the palm of your hand. Finally, the fun part: streaming your movies. Just open the app, select your movie, and hit play. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, your ABC hosting server will deliver smooth, high-quality streaming directly to your iPhone. Now, let me tell you about an amazing solution for hosting your movies: ABC Hosting. At ABC Hosting, we provide top-notch video streaming servers with a 100% DMCA Ignored Hosting feature. That means your content is secure and private without any interruptions. Plus, our servers are optimized for seamless streaming, high-speed performance, and unlimited bandwidth. Whether you're hosting a personal movie library or running a streaming platform, ABC Hosting has got you covered. The link to check out our services is in the description below. And that's it for today's video. Streaming movies on your server to your iPhone is easier than ever, especially with the right tools and hosting solutions like ABC Hosting. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy streaming.